Here's a quick video of the street legal setup I just barely got done with installing on my dad's 2017 Husqvarna. Nice 450. And I had to stick the headlight switch right up here just so that it didn't take up so much space. But anyway, here's the blinkers slash running lights on the front forks there. And there's a tail light. License plate will go right underneath there. And left blinkers right here. Those are pretty bright. It's the same setup I have on my Yamaha, same brand, same everything. And headlights, if I flip those on, they got the different settings on them, the strobe, low and high beams. But those work pretty good. They're nice and bright. Mounted them right over by the radiator shrouds. I'll show you that. So that's how those are mounted up right there. On a metal bracket, they're pretty darn sturdy. I mean, you're not going to be moving those very easily. To aim them, you just got to bend that bracket a teeny bit, but other than that, that's about it. I really like keeping the clean dirt bike look on all the street legal stuff I've been doing lately. So, I mean, from the side, you can't even tell it's street legal. But anyway, I've been riding mine around for quite a while, and I haven't had any issues with my Yamaha, but we'll see if my dad has any once he gets his all ready to go and plated and all that. But anyway, it should be fun to rip around town with him. So there you have it.